Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to upload a post on specific friends timeline. For this settings, you have to update your Facebook on Play Store. For updating your Facebook, you have to open Play Store and search Facebook. If you can see here update option, update it, then open it. After opening it, you have to go to your profile, then scroll down and you can see here what's on your mind. What's on your mind right here. Then you can see here friends option. Click here, then click to see more. Then here you can see specific friends. Click to specific friends. Only show to some friends which are selected by you. I selected him, him, and him. Then click to done. Then click to again done and post it. And click to share. The post has been specific to my 3 friends. See guys, the mark. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.